Hey Maddie, how does it work? Where's the water go?
Yeah.
And then where? Then where does it go? Yeah, it's going down in there. Can you show me? Open the lid.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
There it goes.
And then where? Does it go down the tube?
The train.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's fun, huh?
There's a moon right
There's a
there.
moon. You gonna be good to Daddy's plants?
Yeah.
Okay.